Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Maths Content. So in today's class, we will solve the question number 4 of end of chapter exercises from chapter 3, the world of numbers. So the question is, locate the following rational numbers on the number line. The first sub question is 0.532. We have to represent this 0.532 on number line. Let's see how to represent it. Okay, first of all, we will draw a number line and will represent numbers. Will represent numbers from 0 to 1. 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, then 1. Okay, so 0.5. Where is 0.5? First of all, focus on 0.5 only. So we can see where is 0.5 here. This is 0.5. Okay. Now, and this is 0.6. It means 0.532 will be between 0.5 and 0.6. Again, we will represent the numbers, decimal numbers from 0.5 to 0.6. Let's see how to represent them. 0.5, then 0.51, 0.52, 0.53, 0.54, 0.55, 0.56, 0.57, 0.58, 0.59, 0.6. Okay, so where is 0.53? This is our 0.53. Okay, we have to represent 0.532. It means 0.532 is greater than 0.53 and less than 0.54. Okay, it means 0.532 will be somewhere between 0.53 and 0.54. So again represent numbers from 0.53 to 0.54 on a number line. 0.53, 0.531, 532, 533, 0.534, 0.535, 0.536, 0.537, 0.538, 0.539, finally 0.54. What we want to represent? 0.532. You can see the representation of 0.532 on a number line. So 0.532 located between 0.53 and 0.54. 0.354 are represented between 0.5 and 0.6, and this 0.5 and 0.6 exists between 0 and 1. So this is how you can represent a decimal number on a number line. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like for more videos like this. Thank you.